Alright, so this may not look like much, but success, at least for 120. So basically we have over here the wires that are coming in from the shore power or the automatic transfer switch. We basically pulled them out of that panel labeled main. I just pulled the wires back through down to here, plugged in this side, then I ran a new set of Romex here back up to the main 30 amp breaker, flipped it on. At first it wasn't coming on, but then I realized when I held this up that there's an on-off switch. So I turned it on. We have lights and everything's working. I literally can't believe this. Anyway,